what if there was a serial killer out there, a strangler, but he was only strangling people who snored? We would have to fake like we wanted to get him. Oh! We gotta stop him! He's killing our best people! But we would drag our feet for a couple of weeks, you know, until the entire country was more well-rested. Let me tell you why that joke is funny. It's funny because we all have people that we really genuinely love who snore, that we've thought about doing a first-degree murder to. We've thought about ending their life. We love them. We absolutely treasure them. We thought about suffocating them. But if you really think about it, God kind of already started suffocating them. You would just be kind of helping God. I don't know if I would call it doing the Lord's work, but you'd be helping God.